This is the first video we have of a beaver working on the dam for most of the night. This action happened on the night of April 4th. The first thing we see is placing branches parallel to the flow, which doesn't seem like it makes sense. Placed this way, they don't directly help block flow. But guess what? Beavers know what they're doing. One big problem with dams is that water spilling over the top can create scour pools downstream. These pools can get deep enough to undermine and collapse a dam. The parallel branches break up the vertical flow energy and prevent deep pools from forming. This results in a stable dam that can last indefinitely as long as it's maintained. This beaver worked from 10 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. with some breaks to go downstream to do who knows what. Have a snack, work on a downstream dam, take a bathroom break, have a nap, who knows. This break took 45 minutes. The other main activity on the dam was packing mud onto the front face. The beaver dives down to the bottom of the pool, scoops up mud with its arms. It moves that to the face of the dam and then pushes it up into place. This does two things. It helps seal up the dam. It keeps the pond water levels high, even during summer low flow periods. It also deepens the pool, keeping it nice and safe. Here's the results of that work. It's 12:30 a.m. and time for another move downstream. This one was much longer, 4.5 hours. On the way upstream, the beaver does a little rearranging on the main route over the dam. This pathway is the one used by beavers, otters, and all the multiple birds moving up and down. It's 5:30 in the morning and will be light soon. It's about time for the beaver to head back to the den for the day. Our beavers are very nocturnal and are rarely seen during the day.